Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you all will be fine, feeling well, and enjoying sound health. So the topic that today we will be discussing is the biography and writing style of Bertrand Russell. Before starting the topic, a request from everyone, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like, share my videos with your friends and family. Without wasting further time, let's start with the biography and writing style of Bertrand Russell. So, viewers, this is a picture of Bertrand Russell. Biography. His full name was Bertrand Arthur William Russell. He was a British logician, philosopher, historian, mathematician, essayist, writer, political activist, social critic, and Nobel laureate. Russell regarded himself as a socialist, pacifist, and social activist. Bertrand Arthur William Russell was third Earl Russell. He was born on 18th May 1872 in Monmouthshire, in the United Kingdom to Catherine Louise and Viscount Amberley. He was born into a British aristocratic liberal family. In 1874, his mother Catherine died from diphtheria. In 1876, 2 years after his mother's death, his father also died. Then Bertrand, his brother, Frank, and his sister start living with their Victorian grandparents. In his teenage, Russell often suffered from spasm of seclusion and loneliness, due to which he attempted suicide. He got education at home by different tutors. So let's move to the main topic, that is the writing style of Bertrand Russell. Bertrand Russell is by all respect a productive prose writer who wrote abundantly. He is the prominent writer of present century who wrote on a variety of subjects of human interest with great zeal and zest. He expressed his acumen and writing power in a forceful and logical style. He wrote almost on everything, and there was hardly a human problem which remained untouched by him. In the fineness and beauty of his style depends mainly on clarity of thoughts. There is no confusion or complexity. Whatever he was writing, it was full of clarity, and his thought was united. A rich coffer of knowledge made him upright and honest in his opinion. So the first silent feature of his writing style is lucidity. What the lucidity means? Lucidity simply means direct, simple, and clear writing. So whenever he writes his essay is direct, simple, and clear. The subject may be very difficult, but his manner of expression is very lucid. That even a layman simply an ordinary person with a little knowledge can easily understand him without any special difficulty. He opens the complexity of expression lead to ambiguity, which affect the main aim of a writer. The precise usage of words. The scientific inclination of Russell allow him to make the precise and exact use of words in his writing. He uses rich, clear, transparent, and pure words. His writing has have no obscurity of ambiguity. If there is any ambiguity, he clarifies it in the preceding lines. He does not use irrelevant and excessive words, but he does not compromise on the richness of meaning. He avoids excessive use of words. He avoids empty rhetoric and produces a charm of writing with modest use of words. The next silent feature of his writing style is unity of thoughts. Another silent feature of the writing style of Russell is the unity of thoughts being associated with the discipline of mathematics and logic. He mastered the principle of unity of thought. He began his argument from a well-stated assumption and then proceeds to the logical conclusion step by step. His every essay is logical and the thoughts are developed continuously. Like simply there is a continuous overflow of thoughts whenever he writes his essays. The paragraphs are interconnected with each other. There is clear coherence in his arguments. The next silent feature of his writing style is elongated sentences. To maintain the unity of thoughts, Russell uses elongated, lengthy, and elaborated sentences. With the use of elongated sentences, he does not allow it to affect the fluency of thought and writing. His thoughts are fluent, coherent, and rhythmic from the start to end. The style of Russell provides him with the medium through which his expression of thought is smooth. His writing is dull, boring, and relishes the reader with its sweetness. Another silent feature of his writing style is simplicity of language. Russell never used pompous and bombastic language. He insists on using simple and effective sentences. He does not excessively use the words that make the sentence tasteless and boring. It is due to the simplicity of his employed language that makes his writing pleasant and sweet, not dull and boring. His style is simple but convincing and strikes the interest of readers. Though the subject matter his deal within his essay are very difficult, however, his simple mood expression make it easy for the reader. Even a layman can understand what he is trying to convince. He is aware of the fact that the complexity of expression may cause ambiguity, and the reader will not be able to understand what I am saying and what I am delivering in my essays. Another silent feature and the most important feature of his writing style is the lack of symbolism. In Russell writings, there is not metaphorical and symbolical language. It is said previously that he has a simple and clear style and does not leave any ambiguity or obscurity, as I mentioned earlier, in his ideas and writing both. Russell does not trouble his reader with complex symbols and metaphors and uses less complex language, metaphors, and similes. For Russell are a matter of necessity and they should only be used when there is necessity. Another silent feature of his writing style is profundity in thoughts. Russell expresses deep thought in simple language. He was a man with a scientific mood and also a deep thinker. His style has a depth and stream-like continuity and is full of deep thoughts that can be elaborated on in a countless page. His many sentences appear to be proverbs having deep meanings. So with this, my topic came to an end. If there is any queries or problem related to the topic, so you can easily put your queries and problems, questions in the comment section. Then I will inshallah reply to your queries and problems and I will try to solve that. And with this, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.